Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and this is Hudson Visuals. So here it is, here's my MotoVlog setup. So far I haven't tested it out, but we're going to go out today. Beautiful day. So what I did was I took my GoPro Hero 7. I put a small rigs cage on it. So I have my GoPro Hero 7. I have my variable ND filter on there. I have the mic adapter hooked up just the way, just coming down, coming through this way. I'm actually charging it right now, the whole system, but I have my Xbox mic that I took off one of my headsets, and it works perfect. From what I heard when I was inside my apartment, sounds pretty good. I did add an extension to the mount because actually when I ride on the road glide, I feel like you really can't see over the fairing. I mean, my line of sight, I could see over the fairing, but the camera you really can't see. So I put an extension on it. It's actual swivels. You can fix your horizon line and all that. And also I use a chin mount. They actually have this chin mount for my helmet. That's a HJC 70 ST. So it fits nice. You're not covering any of the vents. Small rigs cage is fine, and that's why I like running these metal cages. Anyway, there you go. So we're going to get on the bike after this charges up, and I'll let you know how it sounds. Or you let me know how it sounds. Alright, let's get on the bike. Alright, welcome back guys. So this will be the first test of this new setup I got here. And hope the audio's coming in good, hope the picture's clear. I also did pick up a INSTA360. They were on sale, so we added that to the mix. Hopefully it's a learning curve, and I still got to learn how to use it and learn how to edit on it. But hey, if I like doing these kind of things, so I'll have to learn. So let's get on the bike. Let's turn this bad boy on first. Can't really do with a glove hand, I've noticed. So it's on. So we're actually going to sync them together. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, clap. And that's how you sync audio. So, you know, we'll check out the 360 footage when we get back, and we'll go from there. Alright, so, let's get on this bad boy. Right, here we go. So I have the 360 mount connected to a ram claw mount, and the ram claw mount is supposed to go around the handlebars. I usually use it for my phone holder, and I actually rigged it that's gonna sit on the fairing. And so since it has when it grabs on, it's a circular inside, I stuck it with, so the actual rubber pieces that are inside and
that grip onto the bar don't extend onto the little ends of it. So rigged up some rubber so that it's stable. So yeah, so that's what's up with that. And we're, like I said, we're testing it out. Now the audio from here, hopefully it's coming through nice and clear. We are actually just going to ride around town first, test the audio, and we will actually maybe jump on the highway a little bit, test it some more. But yeah, this is the new setup, and hopefully I'm coming in loud and clear. And like I said, past videos, I've always been struggling with the audio, so hopefully this will actually help. And I also, in the settings, I am using the Pro Tune, so I have more control over how to edit the audio. But the problem is with the Pro Tune, I wish I could go in there and set a peaking level, because sometimes, you know, when I'm talking, it peaks once in a while if I talk really loud, or I see another bike or something I like, you know, it really peaks real high and then it's unusable. So yeah, so we're gonna go cruise around town for a little bit, and hopefully everything is coming out good. I haven't actually edited much on the 360 camera. A lot of people say it's a lot easier on the app for the phone than on the actual computer. But like I said, we'll figure that out when that comes. Yeah, but it turned out to be a beautiful day. The past few days here in New Jersey has been shitty. It's been raining all day yesterday. It rained until almost 2-3 a.m. and then all Sunday it rained, and now it's sunny and beautiful. Can't complain about that. Little sand on the road. You always got to be careful coming around that turn, especially when it's the riding season has started. You know, there's a lot of debris and stuff still on the road, and you don't want to romp on the gas when you're hitting a turn. You might fishtail a little bit. So this riding season is here, man. I can't wait. I got out a little bit last week. I actually did the bikes and breakfast on Easter Sunday. This past weekend I didn't really get to go out much because of you know, life. You know, my wife had to work on Saturday, and it was, you know, and we still got to make a living. So well, it was an awesome time. I got to spend time with my daughter. I actually went over to my mother's house and got to spend time with them, and they got to see the baby. That's always fun. And yeah, and then like I said, this past Sunday was really crappy out. It's raining all day since the morning. Like I said, you know, sometimes you know, this is not my full-time job, obviously. My full-time job, but you know, I have commitments to that. I also have commitments to other things, so I really when I have nice days like this, try to get out there and vlog for you guys and do these kind of things. Test and keep testing and keep learning and all that fun stuff, because when the day comes, doing a big group ride or doing something like bikes and breakfast, the audio on that wasn't great. I had a feeling that the microphone inside the helmet by the ear was picking up most of my voice, not the one in front of my mouth, because I had two mics running in there and I split them, and I'm guessing the thing is that I put it into my recorder and it's not a stereo recorder. So you were just listening to me talk to myself very low and you couldn't really hear your engine more. So now, hopefully, I have this setup, which to me is genius. Just taking a little $10 mic that I use for my Xbox and just running that right next to in front of my face under the cheek pad. So instead of running all those wires, sometimes I felt the wires on my head, sometimes I didn't, but especially then when I also had the second microphone that was right next to the ear piece, picking up either when I'm vlogging with Jose, it sometimes you can feel it on the ear, sometimes it's pressing on something and then it gets uncomfortable after a while. So I do like this setup. It's a little simpler. So actually it's a easier, simpler setup. You're not running two mics and all that fun stuff to record. Off the Santa, but I do like it. Hopefully the audio, like I said, is coming through well. And I actually added my own stuff to it. Like I said, I have a small Rick's cage on it. I have a variable ND filter. I did put an extension on I do have an extension on the chin mounts, because when I just clip it right onto the chin mount, you really can't see over my fairing. I'm a shorter person. I mean, ideal would be the GoPro on eye level with me, because I can see perfectly fine over my fairing, but the camera can't. So we'll come to one of my favorite spots I like to come to. This is Hudson County Park. Beautiful park. It's you got a boat launch right here. You have a big field. That really field wasn't being used for anything. It's just a big giant field. You also have soccer fields back here. You got the beautiful river next to us. There's baseball fields back here. There's a lot of things back here, a lot of recreational things. But I do like to come back here during the week because it's nice and quiet, and you get that view of the mountain right there. I don't know if you call it mountain. So yeah. Wish I could just turn around here. Here and then give you a view. Yeah, so got it, guys. You know, just testing out the whole new vlog setup and testing out this Insta360 also. So let me know what you think. How's it sound? How's it look? Can you see over my fairing when I'm riding the road glide here? Probably have no problem on the Honda. I actually could, actually with the Honda, I actually am going to use my other helmet, my Scorpion helmet that I like to use. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's the setup I'm using right now. And I hope it's nice and clear for you. I hope I'm sounding, it sounds pretty good. The audio isn't terrible like some of my other videos. And yeah, from now on I'll probably use this setup and we'll see how it works out for a while. Also, if you like today's video, please hit the like button. Also comment down below and let me know what do you think of the setup. Can't wait to start figuring out how to edit this Insta360, but I'm pretty sure it's a little easier. But yeah, if you guys have any tips also how to edit 360 video, let me know also. So I want you to have a great day, and I hope to see you soon in that next video. Peace.